What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got a single cab cat eyes all the way from Roswell, New Mexico. Now this truck here was a giveaway truck a while back. This truck came from Houston. Cat eyes SS clone from I believe Freddie Alice X. The guy that won it was from Roswell, New Mexico. So now came back to New Mexico from Houston. Now it's here at Rob's Customs. Gonna get a sunroof install. We're gonna be doing a weld on used kit. We're gonna do black suede. We're gonna black everything out on the inside, visors, plastics, the oh shit handle, the light trim. We're gonna black it all out, make it look real good. Let's check it out. SS cat eyes. I think it's clean. I already started removing the headliner. We're gonna cut the trim on the inside, cut that back part all out, and then we'll start getting measurements, get our bracket welded in place, go from there. All right, guys, single cab's done, sunroof installed.
Perfect.